How to add calendar to lock screen clock on Android. So here we go to the lock screen by pressing on the side button. Now on the lock screen, touch and hold. Once you're in this edit mode, tap on the clock right here at the top and then choose style. Now you can see this is the default clock. If you swipe across and select the calendar, this will allow you to add the calendar to the lock screen. Now you can drag on the handlebar to make it larger or smaller. You can also move it to the left or to the right. The center, you can enlarge it to make it larger. Once you're happy with it, you can tap on the done button. Then tap anywhere here to close it. And that is how you can add the calendar to your lock screen clock on Android. Thank you for watching this video.